guys, it's me, Ash the Demon Wolf, and I changed my avatar to this goth girl because I really like it. Anyways, welcome to Minecraft, and we're gonna play the same game that I was playing before, but we were on the Funtime Foxes world. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go into the world. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. Look at them, they're so adorable. Okay, what was I doing? Oh wait, is that Minecraft? No way. That's right. Oh. That, it just changed, okay. Well, I think that was rare. I don't really know for sure, but I think it is. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna take this bow and bring it over there. Let's see, we have a lot of stuff, so. What is this? What the heck? Okay, I'm just gonna add that with that, and this with that. Okay. There we go. Let's just go. Excuse me? Okay. Why did I leave this open? Oh boy, it's nighttime. Okay. We got this. Oh crap. No. Okay, I need to kill it. Kill. No. Die. Stupid spider. Okay, I killed. Okay, I got it. Okay. Well, that just took a chunk out of my house. My flowers! No! No! Okay, wait, I know what to do. I just need to, I need to find some more, hold on, I got it. I just have this, so I'll just use that. This will go right there. Oh no, my stone thing got broken. That's okay. But my flowers, now it looks weird. Stupid freaking creeper. I see it already blew up that side. And it already blew up this hole, which I need to fill back up. Oh my gosh, these stupid dumb creepers. Okay, there's a zombie. I'm just gonna use this sword. Hold on. Shoot. Crap. Ah! No! 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 I'm going back home. Yep, going back home. Yep. No, I just freaking died. Okay, I guess I don't trust my dogs being out there with me, so, let me see. Can I, use a weapon or anything? I don't know. Okay, I have this flesh that I'm not gonna eat. I do have my sword. So, wait, maybe if I just wait during the daytime, that'll work. Let's try that. Okay, now it's daytime. I need to build another sword. Yeah, I need another sword. Oh my gosh, there's still those stupid spiders. The spiders are still alive. I see. You're still alive, aren't you? Whoa. Okay, I killed it. Let me just take these. There we go. Okay. I need salmon for my cat. Okay, wait. Come back here, come back here, come back here, come back here. Yay! Okay, there we go. Okay. Hold on. Can I cook that? I think I can. Oh, there you are, doggo. Cook. Dang it, I gotta get a furnace. A better furnace anyway. Here, let me just break these. Because I don't really like these, they're dumb. I don't even know why I have them. They're just stupid. Okay, let me just get rid of them. Oh my. There's all my coal. Yep, there's coal in that one too, okay. Well, I don't really need those to begin with. They're dumb anyway, and they don't even freaking work because I don't think I have the right stuff to make them. So yeah, I don't have any of that stuff. Okay. Let me just put this right there. This one will go right there. Okay. I do have this raw salmon, but I'm not gonna cook it just yet. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. Wait. Furnace. I need cobblestone. Okay, I got this. All I need is cobblestone, then I can make a furnace. Okie dokie. Stupid freaking skeleton. Oh, I'll kill you, 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 I'll kill you. He's just spinning. Dang, actually, can I get his sword? I mean his... Yay, I got his bow. Does it have any arrows, though? I'm just, like, wondering, does it have any arrows? Okay, we need to, There's a fox.
Whoa, what the heck?
Mr. Fox. Oh my gosh, it jumped! Oh my gosh, I don't know if that's new or not, guys. Hi, baby. What are you? Oh my gosh, it's the new chicken!
It's got a tail. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Let me kill you. Let me kill you.
Chicken, you will die. Die. Chicken. No. Come back here. Yay, I got chicken. Oh wait, I already have chicken. Okay, I didn't get nothing. What the heck? I literally got nothing. I did not know that foxes could jump in Minecraft. I didn't know. Wait, I need to kill you. No, wait, never mind. I guess I could get some sugar cane if I want to make something with that. Hello. Drowned. Okay, wait. Let me see. There's some more sugar cane over here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Is that a new Piggy Wiggy? Pig! 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 Pig!
Oh my gosh, you're so adorable. Oh, you're so cute. Such a cutie wootie.
You're so cute. They're so cute. Okay. Wait, is this cobblestone? Okay, I doubt it is, but oh wait, what is this? Okay, I know I don't want to use the sword. I doubt I'll even like get anything from it. Yeah, that didn't break. So good. Is this cobble? No, that's gravel. I don't need gravel. You can go back. Go back. I do not need gravel. I need cobblestone. How do I get cobblestone though? I'm just like wondering. Wait a minute. Maybe if I use some of the weeds, I don't know. This stays with this, however. Okay, wait. I can make sugar, but I need bone. Okay, so it seems like I need something for something. I don't know. Well, I made sugar. Okay, why is there so many black sheep? Okie dokie. Hold on. Let me get up. Okay, there we go. Is that a... Oh my gosh, it was sleeping. Did you see it? Did you see it sleeping? Oh my gosh, I can... It's adorable. Oh my gosh, it's sleeping again. Now it's awake. That is so freaking cute. Hey, bull. It's a turtle family.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A turtle family. Yippee!
Okay, wait. Okay, I need to go back home. Oh no, not you. Wait, maybe I can give the fox some berries though. Like, there's a lot of berries over here. Maybe they'll like them. Maybe. Oh my gosh, I gotta dodge that. Okay. Mr. Wolfie!
How dare you kill that sheep? I didn't even.
They went in the water. Oh my gosh, it's spazzing. Are you good, my dude? Are you okay? Do you need help? Here. There you go. What? Look at him go up to his mommy. To his family. I mean, not his mommy.
Oh my.
Okay, we need to go back home before it gets too dark. Yeah, I need to go back home. Okay, good thing our home was literally right over there. Okay, I can make it. I believe in myself. I believe, and it's dark. Crap. Why is Minecraft being so freaking glitchy lately? Like, for real. Why is it just being so glitchy? Ugh. Ah! Oh, whatever. It's fine, it'll do. At least we got sugar. I don't like that picture. Oh well, I can't get rid of it, okay. Okay, I got that. No, those can be for the dogs. That. Those. That. Wait. Actually, this can go up there. This can go right over there. Wait, is that's cobblestone right the heck there. I can make a furnace. Okay. Can I make a furnace? Oh, dang it, I only need 2 more. Crap. Okay, let's go to sleep. Ow, my arm. Owie. You're back. It's morning. I better eat something. That was just my messages, guys. What the heck happened to my hearts? Why aren't they going up? Oh, there they go. Okay. I was like, why are my hearts not going up? Then I was like panicking at the same time. Oh, I already have fish. I could feed these to my cats. To my one cat that I got. You want some fish, Duchess? You want some fish? Here you go, Dutchie Dutch. Here. Here. Wait, will you even eat this? I don't think you will. Well, I tried. Okay, maybe she'll eat that. Maybe she'll eat this. I don't know. You, however, will eat this. You want this? You want it? Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Wait, we need a puppy. We need a puppy. We need a puppy. We need a puppy. We need another puppy. We need another puppy to make another baby. Yay! Now you have a brother. You sit right there. Come on, guys. Yippee! Now we have a big family. Here, you want to see a brother? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Now you are one big happy family. Dang. Dude already grew up. Well, they don't grow up that fast. He was a puppy though, like a day ago, but then he grew up that fast. How did he grow up that fast? Dude, you were literally just a puppy. Why are you all staring at me like that? Creepy? Okay, wait, let me eat the chicken. Oh wait, I can't eat it. Okay. Let me just see, is it still... My